So the topic is about election result analysis of 2024. So our main objective is to analyze and gain the insights from the election results and understand the party, analyze performance, identify the trends across the constitutions. So our data overview, we have two tables, that is election results and party alliance data. So in election result data, we have ID, state, constitution name, constitution number, candidate of leading party name, trailing candidate, trailing party, and the margin and the status. Status, we have a result declared, and the other one is not declared. We have one constitution where the result is not yet declared. So here in party alliance data, we have two things, that is party name and alliance name. So the first process is data integration and preparation. Before creating a dashboard, we have to integrate the two tables. We have alliance table and another one is election data set. So here I'm connecting the party name with leading party as well as trailing party so that the alliance can be used here also. And the other one is we have null values and that is treated as 0. And so the first visual of our dashboard is a donut chart, which contains the leading party by alliance. We have 3 alliance party listed in the dataset, that is NDA, India, and Independent. So Independent is of 15.1%, and NDA is of 46, and India is about 38.31%. So the second visual is a bar graph where the total seats won by the party is listed. So BJP has one seats more than 200, and Indian National Congress have won around 100. So it is listed here. And the third visual is also a bar graph that indicates the leading candidate names and their margins. So we have used interactive elements in our dashboard. They are slicer. We can filter according to the state, leading party, and constituency. And also we have included a table that contains the leading candidates and their party name with the margin they have scored. And this is the interactive dashboard where we have slicer and a table, bar graph, and the donut chat. So we have the slicer here. I'm going to select the Tamil Nadu state. So according to this, the other slicer also getting changed, and the overall view is also changed. So from this, we can select any of this. For example, if we go with Kanjipuram, we could see the leading candidates, leading parties, and their margins. The leading candidate is Selvam from Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, which is of 2,21,473 votes. And the alliance is of India. So I'm viewing Chennai as a city. We get 3 candidates: Dhyani Dimaran, Kalanidhi Vegasamy, and Sumati, all 3 belonging to Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam with respect to margins listed here. So this is a view of selecting Tamil Nadu Chennai. Thank you.